Zimmy 2022 man of a tire show.
Wagwan people, you know what time it is? It's 24-hour kitchen.
Not 12.
Cooking. Yeah man, it's a vibes people, you know Wagwan people. Look, I'm in the cook and vibe kitchen again people, yeah. It's a health factor today, you know people. It's not a joke thing, you know.
Yeah.
Today I got the sugar cane, yeah. Alright?
Yo, you know, glad to see you bring one piece of sugar cane, you know, brother.
Yeah. Cool, man.
Glad to see that piece of sugar cane, brother, man, tell you.
I think a joke.
And that.
The jelly coconut.
Ah.
We got some jelly coconut. And then just air, we got some okra and cucumber. Cucumber for the, it's like, what we say when something, water, how water make you feel?
But it's refreshing.
Refreshing. So
Yeah.
you see the cucumber?
Ah, it's refreshing.
Refreshing.
It's refreshing,
You
yeah.
see the okra, diabetes and cancer, and that you just soak this in water for 24 hours, yeah? And you can just drink this before you go to your bed, or you can just consume this for 7 days, or consume it for as long as you want. You understand? Yeah, deal with yourself, people, yeah, so it's a health thing.
So it's like when people drink like the lemon water, cause enough people put lemon water in their fridge and just drink that every day.
Simple things.
Same thing. Different things for different things.
Alright.
Yeah.
And then you know, say the coconut now, people, yeah, coconut water, them say coconut water wash off your heart.
Yeah.
You see the end that?
Yeah.
Them cast some coconut water.
Yeah.
Happy New Year again, people, yeah, guys.
Yeah.
It's a new year we're in right now.
2022, man, I have to tie up them shoe.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright. Ross, welcome to the 24-hour kitchen program and the cook and vibe program.
Alright. Be a part of it, man.
Well,
Yeah.
come on. 24
So-
hours.
Keep subscribing, people. You ain't already.
Ross, I got Ross today as a guest on the 24-hour kitchen in the cook and vibe with M.R.
Yeah.
as well. You understand,
But
people?
hold on there. Look at the setup, right, first. Because
Yeah.
we've got little things and things going on here.
Alright, so
His preparation is always on point. But what I want to say, right, is you see the sugar cane here, people, right? You see this liquid thing here, so I'm going to turn it around. Alright, so you see this.
mad thing.
This is actually from the top of my sugar cane that I grew in UK. Yeah, that was like when it overgrew, like, and it started flowering. That's what
So
come out the
did you
end.
do an episode of that M-Lot?
Yeah, so go check out sugarcane chicken.
Sugarcane chicken.
Mad thing.
And you see
with the chicken.
Yeah,
Mad thing.
yeah. That was
So-
a mad thing still.
Yeah, so this little bit of presentation, this comes from the sugarcane, so it all makes sense.
And people, we got some ginger here as well, yeah. You know, say ginger deal
Fresh.
with fresh. It deal with the system. We have some turmeric here as well, people, yeah. Fresh.
Okay.
Deal with the system as well, M.
Yeah,
People
yeah.
use it to curry their food and all them kind of things there as well.
You know, I'm not too
But
used to the
this
fresh
is
turmeric.
this is a good thing for anti-inflammatory
Is
as
it?
well. But check out the health factors.
Yeah, a good piece,
The
isn't it?
the beneficial factors for turmeric as well, people. Yeah.
Usually when you sit there, little tiny pieces,
Look
innit?
at tiny piece. Yeah, man. We
That's
got
a
some
good piece,
proper
innit?
organic turmeric, man. And we've got the lemon as
I
M.
wonder if
did I
you'd be able
say.
to grow that. Alright. Just do what I'm saying for a second.
Make I cut the turmeric, make people let me see.
Right, if you could, surely you would be able to grow peanuts, ginger,
Yeah.
and this in turmeric in England, because that grows under the ground.
Mhm.
So surely, like, I don't know, man. There's not that much heat above it, is it? So I'm gonna give it a go. I'm gonna try it this year.
This is what they use for curry as well, so we're gonna put that in the bowl.
That's curry powder.
Yeah.
Right there, that's curry powder. They dry that out, grate it, and that is curry powder. Right there.
We've got our ginger in there.
Yeah.
So here we're going right now, people, yeah. Cause this is where I'm going right now, people, yeah. You see the sugar cane? So back home here in Jamaica, yeah, my story is that I grew up on a sugarcane farm. My
Yeah.
great grandfather, yeah, M. Yeah, this is what he used to feed the family.
Okay.
Cause once a year when you grow the cane, every April,
Get your money.
You get your money.
Right.
Yeah. And the same sugar cane there, this is what they take from the factory them to make the sugar
Yeah.
and to make the rare neff
And the rum and them thing,
and the
yeah.
rum and them things
Yeah.
as well. So the sugar cane to Ringo Vision have a history as well because Yemen is a farming vibration, you know, it's a health vibration. So Ross, I'll pass you over to Ross people because Ross gonna give you a look of vibes.
It's
People,
the first time I tried this earlier, you know.
Yeah.
Ringo's gonna cut a bit up now, but sugarcane, I've only seen it on M.Story. if that's me, excuse me.
No,
that's
it's not,
me.
it's cool.
not me. So, yeah, I tried it earlier for the first time, and obviously people are thinking, oh, what's it like, what's it like? Like, I say, like, listen, you're chewing it, it's just nice and juicy, and it's something for the morning for me. Fun chewing gum, like,
Yeah, it's nice
I'll
and
wake up
fresh.
in the morning, I could chew that, brush my teeth, and chew a bit more of that, and it'll probably blend in with the minty toothpaste or something. And it's nice. Probably you could have it all through the day. Like, to be fair, sugar canes, if it's got the vitamins and supplements you need, why not try it out?
So like I was saying earlier, with the sugar cane, some people use it, they say it's good for your teeth. Yeah, some people say like when you have toothache,
That's what you
chew
said,
some
with
sugar
the tooth
cane.
decay and stuff, yeah.
Yeah.
So anyone who suffers with tooth decay and tooth problems, which we all have in life.
People think it's bad for your teeth because it's sugar, but it ain't. As
See
long
the
as it's got
people?
strong- if you ain't got strong teeth, then watch out.
What?
Yeah.
2022, tie up your shoe. The sugar cane there, yeah. Alright, people, you see? As I peel the sugar cane and shave it down. See it there?
And always peel your sugar cane that way, right? If you see my episode, right? One time I must have chopping some this way. Chop my thumb, you know? Why? Yeah, that's the time I learned how you cut sugar cane.
Yeah, that's why I was hoping I weren't getting on the knives today, because I'm still watching and learning, you know, knives are
Yeah, man,
sharp,
you
so
can
be careful
learn,
at home, you know.
So
Try and have
Like a
good
good piece of cane, this is a brother.
Yeah, man. So, you want you do for me, I just want you
Yeah.
to create this for me.
Yeah.
The ginger and the turmeric.
Alright, no problem.
Yeah.
Listen, I'm gonna drop a quick 16 for Ringo. Cooking vibes, positive vibes only, yeah? You can call me KAOS, back with a rhythm and a flow like a protest. Holding a rhyme so high no one noticed. Then I see Gash walk by on a bonus. Hotel boners, weekend stoners, one night fling, but I won't swap numbers. You can call me a joker, but you're the joker. You smoke the spliff to the vultures. And I don't just hate provokers. Had to dump my eggs to get focused. Had to earn my cash when I was homeless. I stay strong inside, act the oldest. But I don't ever go around acting the best. If I ever wanna go around acting the best, that's up to me. So I suggest that you make no effort to test. Quick 16.
Why?
I wrote that when I was about 18. I'm 32 now, still popping, but still, you know, it's one of them ones when you're on the spot right now and you're around two, you know, guys that you've been watching for a while. Somehow I've worked my way in and I'm doing it. You know what I mean?
Where's the few pressure?
Yeah, on the spot.
Where's
right
the few
now.
pressure?
Yeah,
Pressure, boy!
I suppose it's like that. Anyone who's
Oh,
watching
hey,
knows me,
you
man.
see this?
Yeah.
Fresh, man. You see
So,
that smell of fresh turmeric and ginger? Amazing. Amazing.
Get in.
Whoa, see the people?
Slow.
Yeah, man. The coconut people, coconut water. So you see what I go on right now? Alright. Yeah, so this is a jelly coconut people, yeah. So you know, say 2022, tie up your shoe. It's a health thing with the pan to the people, yeah. It's not a joke thing. So we're gonna, first of all, the first thing we're gonna do, people, dot.
Yeah.
So Ross, a piece of sugar cane, you know.
That's a big piece as well, you know. I can chew
Turmeric.
this all
Stay on
day.
my hands.
Dot.
Yeah,
Yeah.
one good piece of cane.
Junior, come in.
Yes.
Come in, Junior.
Junior.
You know.
We have Junior, yes, I know. Junior,
Say
big up,
why for the people then.
yeah, big up yourself, Junior. Junior,
Come on,
eh, piece
right,
of sugar cane. Ben, piece of sugar cane, yeah? Alright, we have sugar cane on the table. We're gonna have some sugar cane, people, yeah? Alright.
Give thanks. Yeah.
Soft, watery, sweet,
It's nice, man.
Sugar.
I'm chewing gum.
sugar.
Sugar.
Sweet.
It's a good bit of cane. I'm not gonna lie, it's a juicy bit. Sometimes you get it, it's dry and it goes like a different colour, you know? It goes a different colour, that goes off. Yeah, man, a good piece.
And see the people, as you can see, you don't eat this, but you just chew out the juice.
Come back, 24-hour kitchen, baby.
What's how it is?
Mate, it's like a drink, ain't it? You know, you're chewing a nice like a juice drink. That's all I can explain.
You zimmy!
It's sugar.
2022 man, I would tell you, let me show!
Alright.
Ah, respect.
Ross.
My brother.
Alright. So we've got the aqua water here with this
Okra and cucumber.
okra and cucumber. Check out what okra does for you people, yeah? And check out what cucumber does for you as well, yeah?
So you can swallow the seeds as well, innit?
Yeah.
Saying no more. I'll take it like a shot. Cheers.
Refreshing.
Refreshing.
Cucumber, you can definitely taste the cucumber in there. The okra, not so much as the cucumber, but it's obviously
What about
in
the
there doing its
thickness?
job. The thickness is like, gives it like a little thickness, but not a off-putting thickness.
No.
Nice and refreshing, man. The jelly coconut.
Yeah, man.
Oi. See that? That's how we do it.
Look at the purpose. And I said watermelon. I didn't
Alright
say
people,
watermelon
you
juice,
see this
though, innit?
water here? Clean. Alright, remember,
Thank you very
this
much.
is the cleanest water in the world. You know why?
Cheers, you on that one.
Yeah.
Because nobody can get inside that coconut. Nothing
So-
can get inside that coconut, so when
let me get
that
the next
grows,
cup, Junior.
that's
Yeah.
the freshest water you're gonna get. Because
I'll
it's
tell you what,
untouched. It's the clean. That's why I say clean your heart.
Is there one up
You
there?
know what I'm saying? Jelly coconut water. We're getting treated today. Listen people, this is like a Jamaican treat. You see jelly coconut, sugar cane, these are the freshness that you know that? Man, I have to appreciate these things, you know? Because you see you see when you go to Jamaica, this is the things that man appreciate. Of the fresh coconut and the sugar cane, and man's got this right here.
Nice.
Hey Ringo, remember say, this was the first fruit that we consume when we do the
You know the sea.
into the sea. You get me? So I thought, you know what? As the grapefruit's there, I'll bust it as we're dealing with some fruits and everything there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. I'll deal with that maybe a thing, you know? Hey, fruits we are dealing with today, and people, yo, health. Look upon this, man. You see it? Do you know how much health is on this table? Look upon the grapefruit. Yeah, look from the lemon. Yeah, coconut water, okra water, cucumber water. We've got fresh sugar cane. Alright, we're being treated today. Ringo's treating us today.
This is the last thing we do, people. Fresh turmeric.
Come on,
Because
fresh
it's a
like
health
that.
thing we're dealing with now. Not a joke thing. Turmeric and ginger. So everybody, we are dealing with an immune boost right now.
Okay, alright, here we go.
We're dealing with an immune boost. So, that.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Junior, what do you look at turmeric and ginger? Come. Yeah.
Alright,
Good.
Put this on, man.
it's real.
Alright, look what Junior just do. Look what Junior just do.
That's
You
a
see the
good
kids?
idea, you know.
The kids are creative,
I
you know.
was looking there as well.
The kids are creative. Junior put his turmeric and ginger here on the
Not
cucumber.
Yeah,
Shit.
that makes sense.
Yeah, good. See that, people?
Chop one piece of sugar cane for Junior, right? His mouth will burn.
Yeah. Junior, I bet. Just give me a sugar cane.
Yeah.
You know, it reminds me of at first. One of them lockets, honey locket things like. But that's the first taste. The second taste, I get spice now. I get them out for the spice and ginger.
Yo!
But if you don't like ginger, try it.
Upcoming Productions. A good thing that, you know.
Yeah, man.
And a too fiery that one there.
I'm not too tired.
One time, I ate one piece of ginger in Jamaica, brother. Why? See when it come fresh out the ground in Jamaica. Why? Yeah. Alright, so you see in the calabash there. Ben, liquid sugar. So, you know, say the grapefruit with the sugar. Junior, grapefruit. Okay. Ross,
Sugar dip grapefruit. Thank
Yeah.
you very much, brother.
yeah, different things.
Jeez, like, I had grapefruit since about 12, so this is what I'm saying, man. Open up the taste buds again. I'll stay behind.
So there we go.
See what
Feel
you're saying, bro?
that.
You tried it.
You see with the grapefruit, it have like a kind of sourness. So when you have the sugar now, blends really nice.
Then take the next piece.
Oh, that's nice, man. Refreshing.
Cause me not really do too much sugar, but over there, so
Yeah,
as me I take a sugar
that's the
advantage.
only unhealthy thing that's going on here.
I take a look of sugar advantage.
So what I go on now?
People, and that you know what I want?
Can't fruits we are there with, you know.
Yeah,
Right now I feel like I just fruits we are there with.
yeah.
Yeah, I like this. I like this.
No, it's a vibe, man, because more time it's just a refreshing thing because them feel like say I just cooking on ember.
Nah, man, we deal with fruits, man.
No, we
deal
don't
with
just
health.
cook. We don't, no, Ross, we don't just cook food.
It's not a joke.
No, we don't just cook food because, yeah, man.
Yo,
Them things
was
we
nice,
deal with
big
people.
I want to try this piece of orange.
Yeah.
We get these oranges from the local, you know the local grocers. So them one there, they're different, you know. They're different, Moya. There's that one there, you know. Good orange this. It's not even an orange.
Tangerine.
Juicy and sweet, yeah.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Ross, try that orange there.
Cheers, brother.
Is this a Satsuma? Satsuma. Wash that down with my coconut and okra. Man's got coconut and okra now.
Man. So look,
That's nice and sour. That aftertaste
Everyone-
is like a starburst of sour.
we're coming to an end right now. But just before we come to an end, have a look at the table. We have one last thing on the table now. A peel a banana now because this is the fill-up. We juice and we fill up.
The protein. The rusting.
Anyone knows me knows I love my sugar cane. Okay.
Banana dipping and piece of sugar said we call sugar advantage. Sorry people.
You see, this to me is heaven.
Try the banana.
I live for fruits.
Some try the banana, the sugar, and a little bit of turmeric.
That's new.
Mad! The sweetness and that
The spice.
fieriness. Try that.
Junior, go on, go first. You got one.
Yeah, that's different. That is
Turmeric and ginger, sugared banana.
Now, Ben, try one, please. This one we must try.
That's a new recipe.
That is mad.
That's a new recipe.
So go on, Ben, go on.
You know what you need to do?
Right.
I need to peel the next banana.
Right.
This makes man can consume all the turmeric here today. And the ginger.
Yeah.
I think how we're gonna get this fried banana fritters, fried banana fritters and then have the turmeric and ginger, or how we're gonna do it? Need to,
Boy.
need to pattern it.
I think just that spread, if you cut the bananas into thin, like
Strips.
long strips, and then
Dip it.
put it,
Dip
on
it.
top
A lot
it,
of this, so it becomes like a little bit saucy.
wipe it across it,
Mad thing.
like a line down the middle of the banana.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's a wrap. So, last thing now, people, yeah. What, Ross? What's your favourite fruit that you've had on the table today? And
The
why?
jelly coconut was like a nice drink. It's refreshing. Like first thing in the morning, I wouldn't even say with ice, man. Even just if you put them in the fridge or the freezer. I mean, I suppose
Oh,
the
yeah,
fridge.
lovely,
Yeah.
lovely, yeah, ice cold jelly.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
ice
what
cold
I'm saying.
jelly.
It's nice anyway, but I suppose like that would be your drink in the morning, like bum water. I mean, you still need your water, but like bum tap water. But at the same time, I'd live off that. And the flavour, well, I can't pick one. The sugar cane, first time I've ever tried it. 100% ratings from me. I'm definitely gonna go and buy some and let my kids try it as well. Like, I'm guaranteed they're gonna like it. Even if you just cut it into small bits and chew it like that,
Yo.
you get so much.
Hear what I'm saying? Then one time in a Ringo, me there Portland, and Billy hurt me and a brother. When me tell me I say my brother hurt me, but me don't want to go to the toilet. It hurt me. So much, yeah. I'm with my brethren and he's getting his tyre fixed and I'm like, oh, I can't deal with this no more.
Yeah.
I see one Rasta man, I walk with some jelly coconut. I say, oh Rasta, belly hurt me and belly me and trouble me and everything. Him say, yo, I go on. Give me one jelly, right? I buy one jelly from him. Him say, drink this and go over to this shop over there and get a callaloo sandwich. And I ate that callaloo sandwich and get a tea. He said, get a peppermint tea or get something like that, a peppermint tea. I can't remember what tea, I swear it was peppermint. Yeah, so I went over, I drank the jelly, I went and got the callaloo sandwich, I ate that, and then I drank the peppermint tea. Good again. Big up the Rasta. About eating okra raw. I think Ringo's blagging me, yeah?
No.
Yeah? Not much of a flavour when it's like that, is it?
No.
It's that much.
It consumes the flavour that you put it into.
Yeah, with
You
that.
combine
it's
stuff
nice.
together. Like onion and ginger and peppers and whatnot.
Yeah,
It's a good enhancer. It consumes the flavour.
yeah.
Thank you very much, people, for your time today. 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision. You know what time it is. Have a look. Yeah, man, it was a health thing. It's a vibes, man. Cook on vibes. 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision.
Wow.
Cooking with M.R. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we have yours here, and big up the cameraman. We have Ben there, up and coming production people. Yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I see you in a little while.
Oi, oi!
Oi.